In the description below, I don't see a description. I see how many likes, how many dislikes, how to share, but I don't see a description. Am I missing something? All right, today I'm going to show you how to find that description. Right now, it's hidden from you. Okay, if you look right here, there's a little upside down triangle. Click on that. Voila, there's your description. Swipe up a little bit. You'll see all the information about the video right here. A little bit more. You can see the hyperlinks there. That's where you can get the bearings. That's where you can get the wheels. And there's the Facebook group for railroad carts. You can click on that. You can click on any one of those and it'll take you to that exact location. Click that, we'll close that. Another thing I want to show you. Click on these three dots up here. That opens up these options down here: caption, playback speed, quality. The playback speed is awesome. If you're watching tutorials and they're lagging a little bit, not getting to the point, maybe taking too long, maybe like this, you can speed that up. Or you can slow it down if you want to see something in slow motion. So click on that where it says normal. Now you have the option to go to 0.25 all the way down to 2 times the speed. So you select whatever you want. I'm just click on that. Click on those three dots again. Check out captions down here. Click on that. Now this video, you could do English closed captioning or none. I think other videos there's more options depending on, I don't know what, honestly. But some videos have it, some don't. Check that out if you're hard of hearing, like art. Look at the bottom here. Click on that. Now that takes you to your videos, your history, your playlists. You can scroll up a little bit and that'll show all your playlists. Next to your library here, you have your inbox. Click on that. And that's all your messages, comments you've made, maybe people responding to them. Check that out. Next to that, we have subscriptions. All your favorite YouTubers, everyone you're subscribed to. So you can scroll and see all the videos from all the subscriptions you have. Up here, you see all the people you're subscribed to. The little flame is trending. I don't check that out very much, but there you go. That's trending. Woo. Next we have home. And these are all recommended videos for you. Based on what you like to watch is what comes up here. Usually I get some pretty good stuff. I go on here and then I'll just save stuff to watch later, or the different, list you have. I have a ton of different lists and I categorize stuff by either tutorials, hiking videos, whatever I got going. That's a basic rundown. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you for subscribing, first of all. Second of all, thank you for liking my videos. And make sure you watch all my other ones on there too, especially the rail carts. Those are pretty hot right now. People like those. Check it out. You don't have to. But thank you for watching and I really appreciate you subscribing.